Hi guys, welcome to another video. I'll be using very less products in this video and this video will be quick. So now let's get started. Starting with this my favorite CC cream. Since this is very light, so we won't be using any foundation. Just a pea amount of CC cream would do. A hack which I would like to share, like this is the Lakme Lumi cream and basically it's a highlighter cream. Iska pura consistency you can see it's like this lotion type gel and iski andar thoda we have highlighter. So we'll mix this with this for a glowy 3D effect. Now just putting a pea size amount of the same. This. Now let's blend them perfectly. Blending will ensure कि ये दोनों आपस में easily mix हो जाएं और जब हम apply करें तो evenly apply हो. Just put some dot over all the face. Now let's just get a beauty blender and then blend it. We can also blend it with the fingers, but let's use the beauty blender first. This is the side I will be blending with the beauty blender. This side I'll be blending with using my fingers. Now you can see application में कोई खास फर्क है नहीं. यहाँ पर भी it is evenly applied and यहाँ पर भी. And you can see that highlighting glow all over my face. जबकि यहाँ पर हमने यूज़ किया था ये beauty blender और यहाँ पर we have used our fingers only. So कोई खास difference नहीं है. You can use any of the technique. Or you can see that 3D effect on my face like this. Like it is shining from some areas where the light is falling. This is because I have used the Lumi cream. I'm evenly dabbing the this beauty blender all over my face to complete the process. Since it's a less effort makeup, so we won't be using any of the contour or highlighter. Or highlighter के लिए we have already used the Lumi cream, so I'm not contouring my face. So in case if you want contouring, it's totally option, you can do it. Now for my eyelids, I won't be applying any eyeshadow since it's a quick look. So I'll just show you a technique. This is the lipstick which I have, Lakme 95, and I'm just dabbing this over my eyelids. And for blush, you can use it like dots all over here. Now let's blend it. Okay, you can see that यहाँ पर थोड़ा glowy अब लग रहा है, थोड़ा blushed. Cheeks are now pink. See, you can see the difference here and here. Now let's blend it over here. थोड़ा सा हम nose के side में भी करेंगे to give that depth effect. While doing blush, you should always smile and lift your cheeks up because the finishing में वैसे ही वो फिर product निकल के आता है. It's done now. You can see the blush is applied and my face is a bit highlighted. अब under eye set कर लेती हूँ. मैं पहले भी इसको under eye को set कर सकती थी, but मैंने ये step अभी के लिए इसीलिए रखा so that I can also finish up my makeup. So these kind of product can look your face flat, तो evenly अच्छे से apply करना है. Now using the Lakme Iconic Eye Pencil to cover up my waterline, upper and lower both. Upper हम इसलिए finish करेंगे because उससे फिर complete look आता है और eyes थोड़ी wide और filled लगती हैं. तो let's do it. तो just कुछ नहीं करना, ऐसे eyes uplift करनी है और यहाँ से आपको ऊपर apply करना है काजल. इससे दो चीज़ें होती हैं. एक तो आपकी eyes wide दिखेंगी, secondly आप जब ऊपर eyeliner apply करेंगे तो वो भी completely filled दिखेगा, like कहीं पे patches नहीं दिखेंगे आपको. Now let's cover our lower lash line. Done. So अब हम next हमारा जो step होगा that would be the eyeliner. I am using this Lakme Iconic eyeliner. This is my favorite because ये long lasting भी रहता है और ये फैलता भी नहीं है, smudge proof है. So let's do it. Let's fill this up. Done. Now let's just finish up preparing our eyebrows. The eyebrows are also done. The next step would be applying lipstick using this 95. See, Lakme's 95 series is my favorite. Now brushing our hairs. तो brushing के लिए I always use this kind of comb because इसमें बाल हमारे tangle नहीं होते और it's very easy to use. Now time for dressing up. So this is the dress I'll be wearing. कलर थोड़ा मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. This is very like elegant color, so I love this. Now let's wear it out. Ready with the kurta. You can see this color is really perfect and really graceful. I like this. Let's now wear some accessories. I love this one. I bought it from Vaishno Devi when I visited there and did Mata's darshan. So तब मैंने ये खरीदा था वहाँ से. Now let's just wear it. This is very elegant. This looks cool though. and suits my outfit. Since I'm wearing this, तो earring भी फिर मैं उसी हिसाब से पहनूंगी. These pearl ones और ये bracelet के साथ match भी कर रहे हैं, so I love to wear these. You can see how simple earrings can lift up your complete look. This is the power of accessories. तो हमेशा you should always add some accessories to your outfit so that they look cool always. Since my look is ready, I'll be applying some perfume and then we'll be getting ready with the chunni. Just apply perfume to your pulse area so that it lasts long. This is the pulse area and then just blend it. Look is ready. Now let's get ready with the dupatta. Setting up my dupatta, let me show you my complete look. So this is the complete look. You can see this looks really elegant and chic. And for adding it more formality to it, if you are wearing it for the office, you can add a watch to your look. This is the watch my friend gifted me. This is from Joker and Witch. So she gifted me this watch in my birthday. Now let's just wear it. How a watch can add to your look. So now it looks completely formal and ready for the office ethnic day. And for completing it, it's totally up to you. If you want to add a bindi, you can always add it and it looks really beautiful. And if in case after bindi nahi hai, you can do it with the eyeliner also. I have small bindis with me, but let's just do it with the eyeliner. Take small product on the nip and then apply it like this. So you can see how ethnic look really beautiful on me.